I read that issue. I read
that correction.
Yes.
Alliance between
okwegana kwa wante ekyo nendere disagumete nja amuna iwe kai okona okutwefulira ku wano tulikolagana ate otwefulira ku oshi era okomye ndikulikicho group danda ulo
let me tell you Grace Mwesegwa when oenda kufukoti so bantu banu and the way you are moderating they can cover chim iPod nichi ebibi nabyo nebinaba kam parliament binokuti amabikirizaganye mu ntambuze yeiwanga ekyo twakikiriza mperano ibo bwokoba nti olina ababaka mu parliament aye twenda kujja mu iPod bo bakuluya eno boira gansingo wandika baluwa bana muningize bana zena wajja ni mukoti so what are you saying chendi kukoba ni kino mu iPod twayambira muni Kyagulanyi obutayirayo kumukuba tear gas me myself I raised that one.
So tiba tukuba tear gas.
Tiba jakuba kuba tear gas. No, they arrest you because some of them are criminals.
Which
they had them.
What was the crime?
They are going to be.
Is that how they arrest criminals?
Yes.
You were a lawyer.
Yes.
Is that how they arrest criminals?
Yes. There are so many.
And that's
ways.
What you are saying.
There are so many ways how you arrest a suspect.
Actually, if you put them, Mzee Jamal.